Our lovely patient, who's 42 years old, is 2 months out from her drainless abdominoplasty and her breast lift. And she's graciously agreed to share some of her thoughts and feelings about what she was hoping to achieve and how she feels about her results so far.
So I was hoping to achieve no longer having my belly overhanging. I didn't like the way that my breasts were sitting. I wanted them to be perkier. And from day one, I could already tell that I was going to love the results. Even in the midst of all of the pain, I knew that it was well worth it. 2 months out and knowing that it just is going to keep getting better, I feel really good, very satisfied with the decision to go with Dr. Claytor, and my scars are healing great. I am slowly but surely getting back sensitivity in spots that are a little numb and just feeling good.
That's awesome. So when I told you that you could start working out and getting back to your activity in a month, was I right on?
Yes, absolutely. So I was nervous because, of course, I had gone online, watched a lot of videos, saw what a lot of other people were saying. So when you said, okay, you can ease up on wearing your compression, you can start working out, I was like, but can I really? But always in the back of my head, because when people would complain about, oh, my doctor said do this, or what do you guys think? I'm like, trust your doctor. I just went to you to perform surgery on me. Why would I not listen to the things that you said? And I've not regretted following your advice.
That's awesome. Was one of the decisions for you to come and see me that we don't use drains?
I did like that. I came to see you and speaking to you, learning that you don't do drains, why you don't use them, and your bedside manner. That was why I decided to go with you. Very respectful, very kind.
Even when I told you were going to hate me for 3 days right afterwards?
I never hated you. I kept saying I did this to myself, even though you said I did this to you, but I made a choice, so no hate at all.
That's awesome. Have you had a change in your dress size or your pant size?
Yes, that's gone down. I don't... if I was a large before, now a medium.
Yeah.
But even in a medium, things just fit so well, so nice. I told my husband this is the first time in my life that when I'm going shopping, if I don't find something, it's just because I don't like it, but it has nothing to do with, this doesn't look good on me, I really don't like this. No, I'm so happy.
You're making the decision because that piece of clothing doesn't look good.
Yeah.
Not that it doesn't look good on you.
Correct.
Oh,
absolutely.
My gosh. I love that. What
it
fun.
It is life-changing. Yeah.
When was the last time you were buying clothes knowing that, you would buy something that looks good and it would look good on you?
We were going to the beach a few weeks ago, and I knew that any bathing suit that I tried on, that I would not have a problem.
You were at the beach a couple of weeks ago, so that was a month after surgery.
Yeah.
Wow, I love it. I love it. How did you feel being on the beach in a bathing suit?
Empowered.
Oh, that's so strong.
Empowered to not have to be readjusting, or my boobs hanging down too low, is my stomach hanging, do I need to pull this up a little bit? Just no cares at all.
Empowered, I love it.
Mm-hmm.
And how does your husband feel about your entire experience?
Happy. He's happy if I'm happy. That's what he's saying.
What I was getting at,
yeah,
because he must be seeing your joy and seeing your enthusiasm.
And that's what he says. I'm like, don't you like my body? He said, I've loved your body.
He's like, I loved you the way you looked before.
You're happy, I'm happy.
What a great guy. How long have you guys been together?
20 years.
Oh, my Lord.
Mm-hmm.
That's fantastic. That is so great. The last question I always like to ask people is, and I know you're only 2 months out, but is this something that you would recommend to a friend?
I would recommend to a friend with only the reservations of, when I say there will be pain, there will be pain, and it will end.
Yeah.
But when you're in the midst of it, you might not think that, oh, when is this ever going to feel better? And then it does, and it's not that long. Maybe I would say the first 7 days were very, very tough for me, and then it was just like I turned a corner, and it was great. And so I'm so happy. I would do it again. I would recommend it just with that reservation of, know that it is a process. And trust the process also.
Trust the process. I love it.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, high five. Thank you so very much.
Thank you. Always.